Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka arterik ukalalengkon, usnam arja khatpra, kawai nik seng sanyima sima hakani kejela, ka Bharatiya Janata Party, kalasdang yak jingya damti, hau news nam thamai arja khatpra, hak bapen kre yak election MLA, ka ban sadongshen hakani kejela, da ka jing Pynskhem yak Ngut ke MLA, Jong ka samai, barjan kon, bakan top yo MLA ka Panthoram pra constituency. Uba Alexander Elheng, bad UMLA Jong ka Shillong South constituency, uba San Bor Shulai, ubala no yakaseng Nationalist Congress Party dang hagi kandidat sengi balala. Hak jelang ka balalong ne kasngi Hamadan yelek ka Jong ka Shnang Golfling Shillong, la pedang boram kini ki Arngot ki MLA, leki he Jong ka seng BJP, kan top nadu ki bana kani ka jela bad Jong ka BJP sengkme na Delhi. Bakan top yo National General Secretary Jong ka BJP Uram Madhav, ubadai khmi ru ki kampanya election ya kijela jong ka than stela mingi nang tau menteri jong sarkar preng berikmi yakatna tourism u Alphonse Joseph kanan thanam hakajo ko por ubadai khmi ru yaki kam panya election hakajela Meghalaya nang ta ba spokesperson jong ka BJP sangkame unalin koli ki Arngot ki wede ki MLA ki brapnya so shaka sang BJP henne kasngi ki kantop yo ba Justin Dkhot bolong u MLA jong ka Cleariat constituency ba uba Robinus Sengkan u MLA na ka Maukayau constituency. But kini bura Arngot kidai ki kertong belajab ya ke election MLA House Nam Arya Khatlai kom ki kertong Shimen ne ki kertong Klemseng.
Baru benar Sengkon tanpa Sanbol Surai. Happy Baba, clap your hand. Big clap. Big clap, welcome them to BJP. Please.
So it's a big day, 8 people joining a party, and this is a good start to 2018 and a good indication of what 2018 elections in Meghalaya are going to be.
Sir, your own heck using the word prodigal son.
That's okay. Language can be used in any manner. Some people like to use adjectives, some don't. So it also shows he has a command over English.
BJP is my old party. That's why the reason is that I have to come back to BJP.
The list can only come when the Central Election Committee finally sits. The Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji would be there, our National President Amit Shah ji would be there, all the central leaders are there. So therefore, that is the process that is there, and that process is already underway.